Hey guys, how are you doing? So very quick video here guys. This is just an update on our 27 alts that we're keeping track of, the altcoin portfolio. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go straight over, straight over to the spreadsheet. So here she is. Here's the spreadsheet in all its glory. So yeah, these are obviously the ones that were new, but we didn't bother adding them to the list because there's no point in making it any more complicated. But out of these ones, obviously SXP been doing really well. Sora XOR Sora has been soaring, so that's been doing really well. But yeah, other than that, the coins have been doing well. So obviously alts have had a bit of a smash down the past couple of days with Bitcoin's rally up. So we finally diverging away from what had been basically equal gains in BTC and USD, as we can see here. Were the same. So this week, the weekly change in USD were at 15%, but overall we're actually only up 3% more than BTC. But bear in mind, BTC is obviously up quite a bit this week, like basically about $1,000, isn't it? So we're still up more than BTC, so that's good. That this basket of 27 alts is still performing better than BTC. So from the beginning, from the very start, that puts us on, we're up 67% in BTC, but in USD terms. But obviously remember, some of that is BTC going up, it's not the alts. And we are up 48, just over 48%. Well, if we round it up, we're up 49%, and then if we round it up again, we're at 50% in actual BTC value in 3 weeks. So 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Wait a minute, we've got 1, 2, 3. So yeah, this is our 4th week. Yeah, so that is pretty good. Pretty pleased with that. Some good coins on there. Some big gainers. Big gainers from the beginning. Most notably this one, which is Elrond. This one down here, which is PLU. A couple of good ones up here, which are let's have a look what they are. I'm pretty sure they're going to be Kusama and ChainX. Edgeware and Chainworks. Yeah, Edgeware having a nice big pump now. Edgeware, really good coin. ChainX, a really good coin. Kusama, the top one, is I think it's a really good coin. That's up 70, nearly 75%, or nearly 100% USD, 75% in BTC. So pretty good. We've got some good gainers here, some good gainers, some solid returns. So yeah, so hopefully we'll have a nice pump up in these coins for next week and see if we can get to that 100% USD and then over 50% BTC from the beginning. So I guess at some point Bitcoin's gonna have to consolidate, and these alts are gonna have to have a bit of a pump relative to BTC, but it doesn't have to happen yet. But yeah, all in all, looking really good, looking good. I'm pretty pleased with those coin picks. Obviously, the new ones we can't really add. There's a couple of other new ones as well. Some new ones. I might have to put a new line, and then we can talk about them as well. But yeah, so yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Remember, it's not financial advice. We're not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will catch you guys again with this update next Monday.